Hello everybody, welcome to another video. Today we will be playing Submarine World. I like this game. I have had it for a while and I just wanted to play it with you guys. So, first of all, I have some mods, that we're gonna just like turn off Lizard Egg and I have no idea what that does. None of these other mods affect the base game, so up to you guys. Anyways, I'm gonna do a cut till this is over. Hey guys, we are back, and so it's cycle 3, 19 minutes repair. I already have a game on the Survivor, but I don't really care. We're just gonna go in here and delete the save. Alright, so if you guys care about the lore, I don't because I've seen the cutscene a billion times already. So we're just gonna jump straight into the action. So basically, the lore is you're a slug cat. Uh, you might be on an alien planet. You might be on Earth. I honestly had no clue. I honestly have no clue. But anyways, yeah. And basically, you're just trying to survive by eating stuff. And this might be part one of the series. If I might just discontinue the series if I don't feel like doing it again, because if you watched any of my previous videos, which I bet you haven't, you know that I don't post on like a topic more than once usually because you know yeah. Anyways, let's get going. Up here, I hope this is the right direction. Right here, we got some bats. I'm about to devour these. Tasty, tasty. So now we could go hibernate or whatever, but I feel like being a big back and getting more than I need, so let's go. I don't know what the I guess that means that's like a Cormorant or whatever, but I guess it means fruit. It might not, and I might just be delusional, but like it's fine. Anyways, let's go. So like, so we're supposed to go to this area right here where my mouth is. Oh, I always go down there for absolutely no reason except instinct, because like when I see like a gap or something in like one of those pipe things, I'm like, ooh, new location, and I just go down there, even though I've done this tutorial 50 billion times. So see this? This is where you hibernate stuff, yeah, whatever. So the tutorial was pretty boring. Well, not boring. Anyways, let's get going. I don't know what the wander exact. I think it's like achievements or something. I think you need to sleep for that many cycles to get like wander achievement. Uh, let's go. We're about to get past the tutorial, so I guess that's good. I I feel like kebabbing some bats. Are there bats in here? Oh yes, there are. See, I feel like kebabbing. Oh, hey, oh, what the crap? So basically, I ate that. I pulled them like off there. Don't eat it like a. I don't eat it like a regular kebab apparently. Like What did I hit? What did I hit? What did I hit? Ooh, let's see if I can hit something. God, these guys suck at getting away from it. Oh, full on stuff. Get off my spear, you nasty traitor. Anyways, here we go. I'm gonna go find a new home. Oh, there's some bats. I don't really need to hunt them because I'm on full food. But now we're going to a new point. Well, we're not going to a new point. We're just going to the same one because I guess it's part. This is technically semi part of the tutorial. Like, we're about to get done with this. Get to so see that we got enough karma to already make it to the next area. And if you don't know what karma is, it's this little stat stuff that you have to get to go to the next area. And every single cycle, you survive, you get more karma, and if you die, you lose karma. So basically, you're on that. If you know like what language that is from, please tell me and please tell me what it means, cause I don't know. It might just be a fictional language and I'm stupid, but like they're telling me more bats are here. Oh wait, could I kebab some more bats? Oh, let's see what we got on here. Two, nice. It's basically like an infinite bat generator. I missed. That there's like a limited amount of bats. I don't know if that was kind of good or not because it kind of looks like it's stuck to the wall. It kind of looks like I evaporated him actually. That might have not have been so good, but it's fine. I think. I'm gonna grab one of these rocks because I can. I'm gonna throw it at something. Oh, no, best. Did I just sound like Stitch? Because that was on complete accident. There was like a bubble on the roof of my mouth. I might have not sounded like Stitch, and I'm just schizo, but like, God, already a dang lizard coming after me. Oh, I'm gonna catch him. Oh, I have an idea. So, see how he thinks he's safe? Oh, he went through there. Yeah, it's not worth it to follow him. But when he's up here, I know, well. Oh god, yeah, I messed that horribly. What was I trying there? There we go. Go here. Oh, I could actually just climb. Oh no, that's blocked. I don't want to go through there, game. Oh, that's fine. Yeah, as you can see, I suck at parkour. After 2 years of having this game, I didn't play it at all. I only played it for like early 2024. I bet still 2 years after having this game and like 1 second. And uh 148 hours of playing, I am still absolute trash. Oh, oh, well, at least I didn't turn from that all the way back at the bottom. Right, now we can go through here. Let me eat these. Tasty. That basically makes your combo not go down if you die. I don't know if I'll be needing that, but here we go. And so here I go for another sleep cycle. hopefully I could keep the spear and not lose it or whatever during the sleep cycle. So anyways, I'm gonna take that. Here. Next cycle, oh, there's no start. So I assume I'm supposed to go this way. Ooh, that doesn't look too good, does it? Oh, I missed that, and now I'm failing to get away from him. Oh God. God, they're all after me. Pink, please. I couldn't react to that, and yeah, I'm dead. That helped me there. See that flower I ate before I went in there? I just got ruthlessly murdered by a green lizard, so I should be more careful. Oh crap! No, my shirt. Give me that. I know I don't have two hunger. You know, I should probably get two food before I go out there because like. Oh wait, speaking of, give me this. Oh, I missed that crap. Oh god, no! Bad lizard. These guys need to get away. God, he's trying to ambush me. God, there's another lizard. There's too many lizards for my liking. Bro, now I can stun the lizard. Seems like they're fighting over there. It's probably. Can I get out of here somehow? Oh yeah, that's nice. I don't know if this is a dangerous move, but it seems they're fighting to get this is getting. You both give me hunger. Oh yeah, he is cool. God, isn't it like where am I going? I do not know. I assume I'm going somewhere. Oh, am I? Yeah. I probably should have eaten, but at least I have two and not zero. So it's not. Oh wait, there's bats over there. God, am I just gonna be forced to fall? Oh, oh yeah. See, as you can see, I am very bad at this. It gets closer to where I can go and. Okay, I'm gonna go back down here. Oh, there's bats over there. I might be backtracking, and I am backtracking. Okay. Did you guys just see me hit that backflip? Hey, no. Okay, yeah, yeah. As you can see, I'm not the best at this rope parkour, but no, I don't want to go all the way back. Can I go here? What are they bringing? Okay, right here. Yeah, did you just hear that? Sucks. No. Oh god, the episode will be 15 minutes long. Oh, I don't want to go here. See. Oh yeah, that's nice. And I hit a backflip on that. Oh yeah, that's not good. Exactly. He doesn't know I'm here, does he? Do not go back. Continue on with your day. Go back into there. And go. Hold on. I don't like that thing. I don't care. I'm trying to go through here. I don't. There's a mysterious pink light that I'm gonna follow. Oh. I truly wonder what that symbol means. It shouldn't. It surely couldn't mean a gate, could it? Let's go. So, if you see that symbol and how it doesn't exactly match mine, that's because my symbol is higher than that. So. Now we're in the industrial complex. I don't know what it is. Oh, heck no! What is it? Well, that's a vulture. I just don't like looking at it very much. You probably know why. It's waiting for me, isn't it? God, I can see its shadow. It's waiting for me up here, isn't it? Oh, maybe it's not? Okay, yep, okay, gotta redo that. Alright, so guys, okay. After this cycle, I'm gonna end the video here. What is it? I'm gonna end the video after this cycle because, it's getting pretty lengthy, 18 minutes. And if you see my other videos, like 30 minutes long, yeah, I lose track of time, pretty easily. Alright, here we go. See these 3 food items? I'm just gonna eat these, go get, chomp chomp, chomp chomp, chomp chomp. Alright, so now we're gonna just, I don't get myself a spear before going back. Oop, I just hit my head. I'm gonna go through here. And, so thank you guys for watching if you made it this far. Oh, that. So thank you guys if you made it this far. I'm Cone Shenanigans. I'm not Cone. I'm Conehead, and I will see you guys in the next video.